In this tutorial, we'll see how to delete Google Pay transaction history from the GPay mobile app. Without further ado, firstly, open your Google Pay app on your phone. Then tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Select Privacy and Security option. Then tap on Data and Personalization option. Next, tap on the Google account link. This will take you to the Google Accounts page on your mobile browser. You may need to sign in with the Google email ID linked to your GPay. Go to the Payment and Subscription tab, then tap on Manage Experience within the Payments Info section. You can individually delete the transaction you want from the list under the Payments Transaction and Activity section. Just tap on the cross button next to a transaction to delete it. Also, note that in the Payment Transaction and Activity section, you can also delete Google Pay transaction history in bulk. There, you'll see the Delete option. Tap on it, and you'll be shown various transaction timeframes. Based on your selection, the data in that duration will be deleted. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.